This is, I don't know, did somebody wake up and decide, well, today's a good day to launch an unsolicited all-stock offer for a company. And by the way, your shareholders are going to own more of it than our shareholders will. And, oh, we've got these 20-to-1 voting stock, but we're going to get rid of that. Don't worry. And we're going to give you into consideration a C share that doesn't trade right now. OK, sure. Put it in a press release and let's go. Well, they did.
All right, because this is what I'm talking about. This is a strange thing.
It is a strange thing, but let me go through some of the basics here because it does deserve that, okay? AppLovin shares are down sharply, as you can see that. This morning, about a half hour ago or so, a little more than that, they come out with this unsolicited offer to acquire Unity in an all-stock transaction. As I said, most of the consideration would be in their A shares. The ratio there would be 1.152, but they also have this thing called a C non-voting common stock. Doesn't trade. So let's just, they want to give you 0.314 of that. Just add the 0.314 for now to the 1.152 and do it for the A shares. That's the only thing I can advise you to do at this point. At close, they're going to also get rid of their B shares, which aren't a part of the consideration, but have 20-to-1 votes.
No.
You know what they say, Jim? Listen, they say estimated synergies of over $700 million, adjusted EBITDA achieved in 2025, a minimum of $500 million in 2024, based on accelerated revenue opportunities. What's also interesting here, and you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, is Iron Source. Remember a couple of weeks back, we talked about this Thoma Bravo SPAC, Iron Source, that decided to sell out to Unity.
Right.
Well, that deal is in jeopardy if, in fact, this were to ever actually occur. Now, the track record for all-stock, unsolicited offers where your company shareholders are going to own more of the combined company than ours, let's just say it's not great.
But how about if John Riccitiello is the CEO of the combined company, which is what they propose?
They do propose that your CEO will be the CEO of our combined company.
Right.
They do also say you can have a majority of the board seats.
And you know when they
Jim?
report Unity?
They report today or tomorrow? Yeah, today. You know, there was in the background to the Iron Source deal, there was some reference to Unity having had conversations with a potential merger partner.
And here we go.
So there's nothing in the release from AppLovin that indicates there had been conversations. At least I haven't seen it. But we can assume that there was some conversation. One would also assume that Unity said, get lost. And they obviously went ahead to do the Iron Source deal. But AppLovin is saying, hey, we want some lovin'. We want a little lovin'. Somebody woke up and maybe had a couple of drinks last night and decided we're going to do this.
Okay, it's some mezcals. But let me just, before you go into this too deeply. I want you to tell me. I want you to hear me out here.
Yeah.
On the fundamentals, both companies are great.
Okay.
They're both great. It's just the wrong cycle for them. People don't really want, look, video games. I have Take-Two on tonight. There's disappointment. NVIDIA, really bad for video games. But these two are the best at what they do. In Unity and John Riccitiello, I mean, he's the guy who's be able to have, if you're in fantasy football, you can do an ISO. That's a technical term. You can ISO every one of your players. It's one of the most exciting things. I think that I told Disney, will you please use Unity? Because that's how good Unity is. It's just that it's in the wrong sector.
Interesting.
So I know that it sounds funny, but it's kind of like Thoma Bravo putting together all these companies. Maybe it's going to turn out 2 years from now to be good.
It could. It's rare that a deal like this does succeed, at least at what we're seeing right now. I mean, you got B shares you got to convert from 20 to 1 to 1 to 1. You got a C share you're offering as consideration that doesn't trade. It's complicated. It's kind of bizarre. At the same time, maybe on the fundamental basis. By the way, KKR owns 20% of AppLovin, and Sequoia and Silver Lake are significant owners of Unity.
Well, there's an example.
Interesting.
I mean, look, do you remember
that
Unity was a very hot stock
company, so to speak, is coming after Sequoia and Silver Lake. Sequoia and Silver Lake are going to be key here.
Yes.
If they somehow decide, all right, we want to engage with you, then maybe something happens. But judging from the language previously,
I mean, look, this area was so hot.
Yeah.
Mobile game, 3D. You use their platform. Riccitiello's terrific. It's just the wrong moment. But if you have a longer-term view, it is really the right moment.
All right. Well, we'll see what develops from here.
We already talked to Kathy Wood about this. She would tell you
we're seeing some M&A.
As rain.
Seeing some possible M&A.
Well, that's how software bottomed, David.